Check it out, this amazing quality East Indian Rosewood shipment just arrived. Backs and sides, fingerboards, tops, everything all are opened and inspected by the US Customs and Border Protection Agriculture. So everything is cleared with all CIDs, permits, with all the AC Act, all the tariff and everything, whatever it is, we paid. And the container just arrived. We unloaded. These are like a few pallets. We have more shipments sitting over there, and we're going to have all the white boxes over there. That's all are the fingerboards. So if you guys looking for any rosewood backs and sides, fingerboards, anything, call us California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. So you can see here everything is inspected and cleared the customs, and we have a beautiful quality rosewood available in Anaheim, California. So if you guys looking for finest quality CITES permitted or legal harvested, legally supplied, legally procured East Indian Rosewood, call us California Luthier Supplies, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. Amazing quality. I mean, we have beautiful sets. We're going to post more videos. 714-929-1234. Thank you.